Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the turn signal lights on this 2023 Nissan Rogue. Alright guys, the turn signal bulbs in this car are pretty easy to change. They are easily accessible right here. That's the turn signal bulb, that's the side marker bulb, which is the one on the side here. These, all you have to do is turn them counterclockwise, pull them out, and that's your bulb. All right guys, just remove the bulb. It just pulls right out. All right guys, this is the bulbs you need. Get your new bulb, just stick it back in place, and you're ready to put it back in the light assembly, okay? Take your bulb, put it back in place, and turn it clockwise to lock in place. All right guys, on the driver's side, it's the same way. Here's your bulb right here. Turn it counterclockwise, pull it out. This is your bulb. You just got to put it back in when you replace it. Counterclockwise to lock it in place. If you want to do this one, the side marker, it's the same way. It's a little tiny bulb. Put it back in and lock it in place. That's it. All right, guys. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.